Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Grayson Boldt, founder and CEO of G&G Architecture and Design. A hand-selected team of designers within our firm will be granted the opportunity to travel to northern Chile for an extended period of time to work on our company's first ever total design project. Our mission is to dive into and study the rich and vast history of the ancient civilizations that once populated South America, as well as learning about the culture of the locals. In doing so, we want to develop a design that bridges the past with the modern day and withstands the test of time looking towards the future. After acquiring an understanding of the community and its history, we will use our knowledge to design a new soccer stadium for the city of Santiago, expressing and emphasizing the energy and impact of sports in the modern world. As many of you might know, the dominant language of Chile is Spanish, and so we will be working with a team of translators to relieve some of the stresses of multilingual communication. When it comes to etiquette, it is common for Chileans to be very warm-spirited in their greetings, often giving hugs, shaking hands, or giving a kiss on the right cheek, and often are not very observant of the personal boundaries we as Americans are used to. It should also be noted that it is considered rude to step away when being greeted. In addition, snapping, along with gestures of pointing fingers, are discouraged. During the trip to Chile, it is likely that you will have to meet with a number of important individuals in business settings. In a business environment, it is important to remember that Chileans do not like to be rushed or pressured in their decision-making processes. When going to organize meetings, it is preferred that you do so either in person or through email. Phone calls should be your last attempt to reach out. Their business decisions are made mostly at the top level, and in many cases, it is important to meet with the highest level of representation first. If you need to make any negotiations, make sure to always get a written statement regarding the deal and its negotiations. For men, sophisticated looks are expected, including jacket, regardless of weather conditions. Dark colors are preferred over vibrant and distracting colors. Women should wear dresses and suits appropriate for a work environment. Gifting is not acceptable until a relationship has been developed. Once established, business gifts like pens or alcohol should be modest and not overly flashy. In a more social environment, you should present the host with flowers. However, other items such as local art or wine are acceptable. During this trip, remember to have fun while also respecting Chilean business etiquette by dressing professionally and starting communication chains at the top. In order to fully understand the culture and people of Chile, we must fully submerge ourselves into their culture so that we can generate a design that expresses what makes Chile, South America, and their history so beautiful.